What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the video. I will be showing you what you can get for around $1,100 in Nuuk, Greenland. So come on inside in this studio apartment. First you enter into this entrance where we have a couple of closets where you can have everything from your vacuum machine, all your clothing, your shoes, and some rack space as well, along with some extra storage up here, all kinds of sleeping bags and mats and pads and all that good stuff. One thing to note is that the entrance has heated floors, so your big boots, if there's snow under them, they will get nice and dry after a little while. And it's also very nice to walk on. And also leading from the entry door, we also have the bathroom out here. Entering into the bathroom, we basically have everything. We have toilet, a nice sink, nice big mirror where you can look at yourself while you have been brushing your teeth or maybe having shaved a little bit, along with a washer and dryer so that all your clothes can get clean inside the unit. And now the floors are also heated out here in the bathroom, so fear not of getting cold feet. Leaving the bathroom, going into the entryway, walking into the main room where we have a nice couch. I decided to place my bed over here. A sofa table, along with some bookshelves over there. We have seating area which can double as either a workstation or just eating dinner place while looking out through these magnificent windows where the view simply is amazing. The view is breathtaking, and you are basically in the middle of Nuuk, so fear not of having to walk very far. I decided to equip my spot with some chairs and a barbecue, so you can sit and enjoy the magnificent sun looking west over the fjord and the horizon and the governmental building out there. The kitchen has everything. We have a small dishwasher, whilst oven and a cooking stove. You can make delicious meals in here. And behind the door we have the fridge combined with a freezer in the bottom. The studio apartment is 43 square meters, equipped with a nice balcony where I personally will be spending a lot of time once the sun is hitting it from the west. You have everything. There's an elevator out, so you don't even have to walk up and down the stairs. It's a new building from 2021, so everything is new. So now the rent is about $1,100 each month. And on top of that, you have to pay utilities, which equates to about $100 each month, which would be your water, electricity, and your heating. We have district heating in this building here, so the heating bill is actually all right. There's also a ventilation system in this building, which basically changes the air constantly, so there's always fresh air inside of the unit, which is very nice considering that typically Greenlandic houses has a lot of problems with mold because people tend to close off the ventilation ducts, and being very cold outside mixed with the moisture inside of the home, then you get a recipe for mold buildup. So as long as you keep the ventilation ducts open here, you will always have fresh air inside of the unit. There's about 800 meters to the nearest largest supermarket, Brusini and Pacific. Walking to the store, it's not that far. We have the apartment building in the back and the new fitness center here. Heading to Brusini. So we are located very central in Nuuk, although away from a lot of the hustle and bustle. Nestled near a soccer stadium and a large sporting arena here. And they are also building a new one out here where there's going to be a new fitness center, so I'm looking very much forward to that. You have to pay a 3-month deposit for this particular unit, and if you're watching this in late March, beginning of April, I'm actually renting out this particular unit over Airbnb, so check the Airbnb link in the description. There's also a storage room included in the rent for this unit. So if you have larger suitcases and large jackets, winter jackets and stuff like that, you don't have to have it inside of this unit. You can just store it down in the storage unit. What's really nice about this unit are the large windows, which draws in a lot of sun. So you have a lot of natural lighting throughout the day. And definitely also the large balcony, which you can use for barbecuing evenings, just sitting with a book, a cup of coffee, sitting and looking over the fjord out in the horizon. So all in all, a very nice, like I would say, functional studio apartment. I have been living here for a couple months now, and I really thought once I came into the unit that I would feel very claustrophobic. But I have been living with my girlfriend for about a month here, and it was actually all right. It was nice. There was plenty of room, and the lighting in this apartment is very good. So you don't feel tired or anything like that, because you always have a lot of light inside the unit. Of course, during the winter time, that is another story, because we don't have a lot of natural light at that time. But now we're in spring, and summer is right around the corner. And all this natural light you see here is just amazing. I am not gonna lie, this sunset and this view in the small little studio apartment is definitely worth it. Even though I'm getting blinded a little bit about the setting sun, just being able to go out here, grabbing a seat, and just chilling, watching the nice sun, sitting down over the fjord. Life is good. Hakuna Matata. Rent the apartment on Airbnb or long-term in the future. I would say all in all, a solid studio apartment. I live here and so far I like it. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna be living in here. So in the future, this apartment will most definitely be up for like a long-term rent in the future. All in all, functional, modern, with good lighting and a balcony looking west where the sun hits around 1 to 2 p.m. So you have the evening sun. You actually see the sun sets out over the fjord. So the neighborhood is very nice. It's a developing neighborhood, and in the future I will say that it's gonna be pretty awesome to be able to go just across the street and you can go and train in your fitness center. Very much looking forward to it. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Check the Airbnb link down in the description if you are here in April 2023. If not, hopefully this video was informative, and also looking into what you actually can rent for about $1,100 or $1,200 US a month here in Nuuk, Greenland. Thank you so much for watching. Adios, amigo, amiga. Bye.